Hey, accountants and CPAs. Want to be the hero your clients didn't know they needed? Let's talk tax-deductible business travel. Forget leafing through that IRS tome. I've got the need-to-knows, and they're quick. First up, documentation. Tell your clients to keep every single receipt, agenda, and itinerary. The IRS loves paper trails. Mixed-use travel? No problem. Just help your clients separate personal days from business days. Only the business stuff's deductible. What's reasonable? The IRS says deductions have to be ordinary and necessary. So, that 5-star hotel? Maybe, but let's not push it. Using IRS per diem rates? It's an option for lodging, meals, and incidentals. But hey, remember, it's either per diem or actual expenses. No double dipping. Local travel? Deductible. But commuting isn't. So if your clients are traveling for work in their city, make sure they know the difference. Forms. Oh, how we love forms. Schedule C's a good place for sole proprietors. Just make sure those deductions find the right home on paper. Final tip. Tax laws can change. Always, and I mean always, advise your clients to consult with a pro. That's you. So go ahead, be the tax hero your clients deserve. Help them make business travel a win-win. That's a wrap, folks. Stay savvy and keep those deductions rolling.